Mr. Washington, I have the map up again, and you've got the laser pointer in front of you. Could you, if you can point it out or not, I don't know, but you were describing some sort of fire at some location. Okay, so you're pointing at a lot that is on 60th Street on the north side, which is at the far left side of that map. And if my street identification is correct, I think that's 11th Avenue. And 60th, is that right?
You are correct.
Okay, so that would be on the northwest corner of 11th Avenue and 60th, is that correct?
Correct.
Okay, and is that some sort of used car lot or something along those lines, do you know?
Yeah, something of that nature.
Okay, and you said that at one point you observed a fire at that location?
Yes, it was a fairly large fire.
But it appeared to be tires that were on fire.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay. And then the police, when you were there on scene, somebody came and was responding to it?
Yeah, there was a fairly large response, I would say. I believe they were in the MRAP or the Bearcat, one of the two, and there was maybe a dozen officers with riot gear and stuff. They kind of pushed us back and told us to go, so we just turned around and went back by the Ultimate gas station.
And when you talk about an MRAP or a Bearcat, you're talking about one of those large armored vehicles that some law enforcement agencies use on this night. Okay, thank you.
Okay, Donald Schweitzer, I'll start with you. This issue of Bearcats. A lot of people criticize vehicles like this. They say it's like the militarization of law enforcement. Your thoughts?
Well, these things could be used to quash riots, not control riots. Riots really can't be controlled. You could kind of cut off access. But as we've seen, that the police are really in a defensive posture when you get these large crowds like this. I think they're also good for like rescuing, or emergencies where they got to get in there and try to preserve their own safety. That's really what these are for. I mean, they're blocking, possibly people throwing things at them when they're trying to get in and rescue or put out fires.